Mr. Attorney General.
After the retirement of Justice Bopanna, in a casual conversation, Justice Hima Kohli was asking me, you had something to say in Kannada language when Justice Bopanna retired. You must do justice by learning Punjabi and do something about Punjabi, do my farewell speech. I tried to do that, but I thought it was a daunting task, and let me better choose my little Southern Indian English language to do justice to a farewell speech. But what comes to your mind is, probably I should have filed a writ petition here myself and asked the Chief Justice to say, enhance the age of retirement, at least the women judges in Supreme Court. I wish I could have done that. I'm sure a lot would have ruled in my favor. But that apart, we have a long history which have gone together with the Delhi High Court. Mr. Sibal is here. I've seen the growth of the Honorable Judge in the bar and the bench. It's sometimes very difficult to even say something about the endearing qualities of a judge, because you can't put them in such a narrow few words and capture such a large canvas of the life of a judge. That's what I feel today. And of course, in the evening, we'll try to do greater justice, and not by bidding farewell, but saying that in a different way, you will continue to be part of our life. You have dedicated your entire life to the cause of justice, something very rare. And the bar stands in endearing honor of the great dedication you've done to the cause of justice.
Lord's bidding farewell to Justice Hima Kohli, my Lord, is a really difficult task. We have always seen a very tough exterior, my Lord, on the bench. But we have also seen a very soft heart, a human, compassionate feeling, my Lord, off the bench and at times even on the bench. Lord, Niluji has been so integrated part of her ladyship that I was telling her that we feel that you are also retiring today, and that's our feeling. But none of you would retire. We will continuously remember you through your judgments and the very pleasant memories which I had. Lord, apart from, Lord, the justice which your ladyship has delivered through compassion wherever required, with tough exterior wherever it is required, your ladyship has also taken stand whenever it is required. And my Lord, we salute your ladyship for that. May your ladyship's third inning be very happy, healthy, contented, and satisfactory.
But as I endorse the sentiments expressed by the Attorney General and by the Solicitor General, and on behalf of the bar, I can say that this stint has been too short. I've been appearing before you in the High Court, and the one thing that's uniform, and I always tell my colleagues, I said, when you go to the bench, when you go in a court, just first know what who your judge is, who you're appearing for. So when we go to your court and you're looking, your glasses are down at the bottom of the nose, and you're looking above, we know we're in trouble. But you have been the most pleasant judge that I have known. Never gets angry. You have a stern look, but an empathetic heart, and we know that about through your judgments. Nobody can finesse you. No, nobody can finesse you. Nobody can bowl a googly to you. We've seen that happen ever so often. And if it's a small advertisement, you also notice it. And so what I can say is that you were destined to be a judge. And the reason is simple. You worked with 3 seniors who all were judges, right? Sonanda Bandare, Sabarwalji, and later on, that's correct. So you have worked with those judges and you were destined to be a judge. Your grandfather, your father was a historian, but you've made history here. You're one of the 9 judges in a population of over 1 billion people was around this court. That is a salute itself to you and your merit. We'll remember you. Though you think it's a step down, actually it's a step up. Because you will be free to speak your mind. You will be free to things that you wanted to do all your life. And you have a partner in Neelu who will be with you all the time. And as lawyers at the bar, we'll always remember you.
Commentators have observed about Margaret Thatcher that she ruled with iron fist in a velvet glove. And it aptly sums up the entire judicial career of my lord. Economic offenders, anybody on the wrong side of the law, knew that their litigation journey is going to end here with justice to the other side. Milady has also taken care of that lonely woman working in the workplace and the innocent flat buyer. And this beautiful balance that you maintained has totally enriched our experience on this side, and surely this great court has been benefited. Have a great innings ahead and wish you the best of health and happiness from Skora.
I can just add an anecdote. When your ladyship used to sit in the Delhi High Court, I used to send all of my women colleagues with this one description that you should go and see how a woman judge should be sitting on a chair. We have never claimed you as a woman judge, but today that we say bye-bye to you in this role, your lordship, I just want to say that we are so proud of you being there, and you have been a light for all of us. Thank you.